Hello, friends. Welcome to Stocks for Retail Investors. As a retail investor, our target is to save, create wealth, and earn. Do not lose your hard earned money in gambling. If you are interested to get more recommendations, then click on subscribe and bell icon. Do your research before investing in any stock. Also, let us know your insight in comment. Today, before starting on our today's talk, I will just show you our systems that I was covered on Thursday and Friday. On Thursday, I told you can buy on this stock, but that time I didn't know that on Friday it will shoot up to 15%, 15% even. Nifty was bearish, and I told you that when it was up by 15% in a single day, to have some profit booking because it should have fast. And see, the same thing happened, that it made some, it is showing some correction today, and it's 3.59% down today. That's it. It is but if you have made profit booking, then it's really good, and if you have not made in profit booking, then don't no need to panic and sell, uh, because it's a really a good company, and I have showed you all the details on Thursday's video. You can hold the stock for a longer time period. Now next come to today's talk. Today I will discuss on Pfizer. It's a $41.9 billion in revenue, have sells products in more than 125 countries, and it invests in around $9.4 billion in research and development. This is the key point. And it has 43 manufacturing sites worldwide. From 2021, everyone knows that Pfizer is one of the key producers of a COVID vaccine, and it has more than 50 emergency use authorizations, around 70, approximately 78,500 employees, and it works in the six primary therapeutic areas: internal medicine, oncology, hospital, vaccine, inflammation, and immunology, rare diseases. Now next come to this page. So it started its business from 1849 and invented a groundbreaking way to treat parasites, discovered how to get life-saving supplies of medicines to the Union Army. Then in 1944, started mass production, making penicillin and other antibiotics access on massive scale. So it's a long old company, and it has a really a good history in the medical science. Then in 1948, it introduced a combined vaccine for preventing diphtheria, tetanus in young children. In 1963, fought polio with an oral vaccine, so million of children could be again children again. 1968 innovated a needle that would be one of the key tools in eradicating smallpox. In 85, treatments that improved the quality of our heart, bodies, and even health the way we love. In 2007, Valent pneumococcal conjugate vaccine for infants and young children. In 2010, first to license 13 Valent pneumococcal conjugate vaccine for infants and young children. In 2000, developed a vaccine for COVID-19. So this is the known. Everyone knows about this. Now next come to this page. This is the history of its COVID-19 vaccine. It started from March 11, 2020. Then in November 2020, Pfizer concluded phase 3 study of COVID-19 vaccine candidate meeting all primary and secondary efficacy endpoints. I'm not going through all the details of this. And then in Pfizer, first authorized in the world for a vaccine to combat COVID-19. In February, Pfizer initiated a study as part of broad development plan to evaluate COVID-19 booster and new vaccine variants. In May, it vaccinated Olympic athletes at the 2020 Tokyo Games. In 2021 May, received first US authorization for emergency use of COVID-19 vaccine in adolescents. Now, the next recent developments that I will show you in the news later, part of this video. Next, come to this here. So, it is a mid cap company with a market cap of 23,476 crores. The stock is ranked 200. Now, next, so this is the one. Next, come to their financials. Financials, if you see, are lower than the industry revenue growth. Revenue has grown. This is a negative point. Higher than the industry net income. This is the positive point. And decrease in market share. There is a negative point. Now, this is the total revenue. If you see, in 2018 it was 2082. Then 19 it is 2248. 2020 it increased to 2335. So year after year this increased, and in 2021 it made a dip, a minor dip, 2319. The EBITDA has increased year after year, as you can see here, from 614.93 to 793.52. The net income has increased from 360 to 429 to 509. Then in 2021, it made a correction to 497.61, and that's why this results showed an effect in their chart that I will show you. Earning per share has increased 78.70 to 93.78 to 111.28 to 108.76. It took a dip in this 2021. Now, next come to their monthly chart. As I was showing, it took a dip in 2021. See here, in 2020, the results were good, so it went high. And in 2021, it took a dip as it showed some correction in their revenue and earning per shares. But in the longer period chart time, if you see, many times it took a dip and again up. It broke its resistance and it went further up. Now, if you see, in 2010, it was approximately, this is the highest point in 2010, 885. And in 2021, see here in July, it went to high to around 6,200 level. So this you can calculate. So around, I think, 6 to 7 times the stock has grown. Now, if you had invested 10,000 rupees in 2010 in this stock, it would have become 70,000 now. So you can calculate, it has given how much return, and it's far much better than Nifty and FDs, definitely. This is the long time chart. Now, if you see the daily chart, this is the daily chart. Here you can see, this is the daily chart. You can see in 2020 it was trading at this level. It went down, it went up, again made correction in June during this phase, and then it again went up. This is a cup pattern. It went up and raised to around 5,900. Then again it made a correction, and then again it went up. So at this moment, to me, this is the level. It took resistance, and for the last couple of days, when Nifty is bearish and the world is fearing for the new variant of COVID, or the focus is on pharma stocks now. And following that trend, following that trend, and being Pfizer being one of the key pharma companies, this stock is also rising. And in the couple of days, on from Thursday, from Friday, if you see 4,900, it went to up to 5,300. And here it is forming a W pattern, as you can see here. This is the point, this point, this point. Here it went down and it went up. So this is the resistance currently it is showing. And if it went up, then to me, in recent terms, it can immediately touch 5,800. This is the my next target. 5,800 is my target, and it will not take much days. In maybe in a week, it will touch 500, 5,800 level. Now, next, come to the news that I was talking about. Dubai, Abu Dhabi start giving booster shot amid Omicron scare. This is the new variant of COVID, as everyone is saying. And Dubai, Abu Dhabi started giving booster shots. So here you can see in Dubai, booster doses of the Pfizer vaccine will be available for those who are 18 years and above and can be taken 6 months after the second dose. And this is another news. Pfizer spill short push stock to record as variant emerges. So currently, as you can see, the Nifty farmer stocks are promising as Nifty is going bearish over the fear of this Omicron variant. So you can definitely look into this stock, this Pfizer. Thank you. If you have liked my analysis, then subscribe my channel and give a like. Thank you.